TSM stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, especially looking at Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company, I'm definitely looking to double down on this. Like, biggest part is that from beforehand, look at this. This is so sick.
You're trying to capitalize.
It was, I expected it to kind of pull down, and it did pull down 230-ish bucks, 132-ish. This is from a year ago, 8th of April 2024. And then pumped, and just recently I've been kind of getting these buys here. Here's proof. Like, here's literal proof. 4th of May when the video was made. Check it out.
That was quite sad. Both down and shoulders, some sort of the buys are just not going to be
179 at the time. Right after a break. It was so nice cover, bro. And from here on, all I'm looking to do is just double down even more. Here is the top. And if it doesn't sort of pull down and gives me no shift, there is no way I'm buying. Simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.